Okay, let's continue our learning process of Blender. Okay, so when you install Blender, you will see a little like I don't know, maybe it's the ad. You don't need to worry about it. You just click the other part of this window and it will disappear. Don't worry about it. If you can't find it later, it will appear almost every time you open Blender. Don't worry about it. You just click anything else and it will disappear, and you can just save these projects as usual, and this I don't know, this the pop-up won't bother you anymore. Okay, so in order to show my my process clearly, we need a little bit add-on. The add-on, as you know, that's a Blender is open source software, so anyone can write add-on that is to extend what Blender can do. Okay, so in order to show our key clearly, because as you know that if you see the video, you can't see what I'm pressing right now. That's what the original Blender provided. They just provide modeling service, but not what you are doing right now. So we need some screencast add-on to add to this original Blender. So there is a great open source project on GitHub, and let me just open that for you. Okay, and if you go to the Newty GitHub page, you'll find a great project called the Screencast Key. It has currently has more than 400 stars. Really great projects. Have been using this add-on since I installed Blender, and it's good. I've already recorded more than maybe 2 or 3 series of Blender tutorial using this add-on, both in English, Chinese, Japanese, and it's really good. It really helped me a lot. But unfortunately, this add-on only support English versions of it. But I don't think this will be a problem for you guys. So if you want to, after you learn this tutorial, you want to share with the other people about how you use Blender, you can also use this kind of plugin. I highly recommend it. It's a really good plugin. And if you be so kind, you can add more stars to this project. Do support this project. I think this project is very good. Okay, so let's just download it. It currently have a you can go to the release page to see all of its versions of it, and I recommend to use the latest version because it do have more features in it. And you just need to download the zip file. You press it, you download, and it's okay. I've already downloaded that for you guys. So let me just return to Blender and show you guys how to install plugin. Okay, so we are back in Blender. Okay, so how to install plugin? There is file. Okay, and then we're going to find no, the edit. We're going to find the preference. Okay, let me just the preference here, make that a little bigger, and you can find the add-on here. You can press add-on, and there is all kinds of official add-on, and there are all kinds of community add-on. Okay, you can do a little bit of search here, and you can also just install an add-on by clicking here. And since we have just downloaded the Screencast Keys add-on, you can just find that that add-on manually on the computer. Okay, so let me see. I have I think I have put that into the computer desktop, maybe desktop. Okay, desktop. Let me find it. Let me just pause the video for minutes till I find it. Okay, we found it. I put it at the desktop Blender intro, and here is the download file of screencast keys. If you shrink this window too small, you will only get this today. If you can't find it, you just need to make it a little bigger, and you click the zip file and you click install add-on, and everything will go smoothly, as smooth as it can get. Okay, I think you have already installed that. You can click this enable add-on only. You can see whether you have enabled that add-on. Okay, official, community, add-on, and testing add-on. Okay, so apparently you did not enable this add-on. Okay, so we need to enable that add-on.